Hello everyone. So today we got some exciting news, and that is that the Cardano Foundation has officially joined the x402 Foundation as an associate member as part of the Linux Foundation. So I think this is a very, very big deal, and that's why I wanted to make this quick video and just talk about it. Just to recap what x402 actually is. So x402 is this new payment standard that came out sometime last year. It was written originally by Coinbase, but there's also many other members that have adopted it since. So as you can see, the list is quite good. It's like Ripple, Shopify, Solana, Stellar, Stripe, Visa, all the big names, even AWS, American Express, etc. So essentially, it's a standard for how agents should pay for things. And those things could be either other agents, or they could be humans, or they could be APIs. It doesn't really matter. It's just a standard how they should pay for it. And obviously, that goes very much into the direction of what we've been building with Masumi. So we, as Masumi, have actually been trying to merge the Masumi smart contract as part of this x402 payment standard as well. And we were successful in doing that just a few months ago together with the Cardano Foundation. So we wrote this kind of like, standard extending x402 for Cardano. Here, as you can see, the Cardano Foundation with Fabian and then me, we both collaborated on this, and we essentially said, okay, let's build the x402 standard on Cardano, but let's make it a little bit better than all the other kind of like regular x402 standards on the other chains. So we didn't just go for address-to-address payments, which is like kind of the basic way, but we also included the Masumi smart contract, which means that we can have refund mechanisms and we can have other cool things such as identity very easily attached to it. And then the third thing that we added is just a general open spec so that any smart contract can be used for x402. So in my opinion, this means that x402 and Cardano is quite powerful, actually more powerful than on many other chains. And now with the Cardano Foundation joining this like x402 Foundation here, this one, that just kind of like highlights the importance. And I'm really on a mission here to make sure that Cardano doesn't get left behind in this AI movement. And I really think that we have a shot simply because the architecture of Cardano with the EUTXO model and the easy like parallelization of things and layers coming and Hydra and all these kinds of things, I truly think is great architecture to scale up x402 and to scale up agent-to-agent payments. So what I wanted to show you actually is I wanted to show you this little vending machine that I've built because I was already expecting this announcement. So I decided to build a little vending machine that just displays how x402 works. And I'm gonna just do a live demo here with you. Okay, so let's try this out. So first I click run request, and then it basically tells me, okay, 402 payment required. It gives me all the information here. If we jump back, it gives me all the information. It says, okay, payment is required. You have to pay 1,000 Lovelace, which means 1 ADA, and you have to pay it to this address. And this is basically the response body that you would in the background see when you're calling x402. Obviously, the normal user wouldn't see that. Then I would be able to just take my wallet and essentially sign this transaction. So I'm picking the Lace wallet here. Let's see if it works. I have to select an account, I guess so. Okay, and then let's confirm this transaction. Let's sign it. And as you can see, the payment has now happened. So now what's happening is that actually the payment is being sent on chain, it gets validated if it's correct, and then we are waiting for the first confirmations. And we're only waiting for one confirmation here, so it means that we are just waiting for one block. So as you can see on Cardano Scan, it already got one confirmation, so I'm pretty sure it should be, yeah, okay, it's already on chain, so it's super fast. It's happened all on Cardano mainnet, and you can wait for more blocks, then it's a bit slower, but if you just wait for one confirmation, which oftentimes when we're talking about these like lower amounts is enough, then it just happens super fast. And then out here came the can. So as you can see, now I got a 200 response from the vending machine, and I just got like the actual kind of like successful return that I was expecting. So super easy to use. I recommend everyone to try it out. It works on Cardano mainnet like this. Is live today, and I really hope that we can push this as much as possible as a community And I truly think that x402 on Cardano is extremely powerful, and especially with the Masumi smart contract and the registry that we have and the marketplace that we have, that we can make Cardano the prime AI chain out there. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.